You want to say anything to anybody?
Hello.
Hello.
Well, when a tragedy happens in this country, as you'll see with the JFK Commission, the Warren Commission, and the 9/11 Commission, they spend, like 2 cents, and they rubber stamp it, and they're like, close this thing. This country does not like to hang out its dirty laundry. And that's something I've never really understood, is we're supposed to be a republic, quote unquote, democracy, but yet we do not want to discuss the ugly truths. And it goes all the way back to the beginning, even with our Constitution, when, we had slaves, and we're calling it, all men are created equal, right?
We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America.
Live long and prosper.